Follow-up question. Are we going to try and do this with just what they give us? Or am I going to use an infinite ammo weapon? Please, God, don't stand up. Please, God, don't stand up. Please, God. Oh, God, they all stood up. No! No fucking way. 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 Don't mind me. I'm just... Yeah, I'm not gonna fall for it this time. I got a gun. This is easy now. Yeah! Holy shit! Okay, there's a lot more there than I realized. Oh god, what? Yo! Are you... I didn't even get a chance. I didn't even get a chance. Oh no, what have I fucking dodged! Yo, is there something behind me? Oh, no, I'm not badass enough. No, don't kill me! Fuck! You jumped me. He jumped me.
No, I'm with the science team.
Wild. Wild.
This song sounds dramatic, but I'm bad at writing words.
Come on,
if you don't speak English, this probably sounds pretty good.
Welcome to my world, bitch.
He wasn't close enough. Y'all, you see that? He comes sliding in off the fucking wall. Ah! Oh! Sweet baby Jesus. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, 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 no. Are you fucking shitting me? I'm so fucking screwed. Oh, he comes in here. No fucking way. Are you kidding me? Oh, God. You charge me every time. He got me. I was around the corner. I thought I was dead. I accepted defeat at that moment.
I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.
Oh, yeah? What? Oh, look at that. We dodging rockets in this bitch. Yes. Damn. Boop. Ah. Boop. Boom. Boop. Boop. Last one of them. Goodoosh. Oh, he jumped on me?
This is the last fucking time.
Fight! I even waited.
Damn, it needs power.
That's it. Game over. Get to the gun. Get to the gun. Come on, we're not done yet. We gotta put this thing down his throat. Fucking eat it.